Alright, today I'm going to do a very basic tutorial of an HTML document. HTML is the markup language that comprises any web page you see on the internet. The HTML is what like where you put the information that's found on that web page. Um, very basic, but it's very helpful to know kind of what makes up a web page. So this is the framework for HTML document. You get the doc type that tells you it's HTML, and then this HTML tag with a closing HTML tag, and then everything else has to go inside this HTML tag. So you got your head tag, and this contains metadata that kind of tells the browser like how to read the HTML document. And then you got things like your title. So I named it Edit 2000E. This is where you could put like external style sheets. You could put like links to a JavaScript page for some animations and functionality. So that all goes in your head tag. And then where all of the information you'll actually see goes is in this body tag. So body, and then close the body tag. So let's say we wanted to write, so we wanted to do just a basic H1 tag is for a heading. So I can write, let's see, hello, this is for 2000E. So now I've got a heading that says, hello, this is for Edit 2000E. We can save that, and then we can go and look, and this is what this web page would look like right now. If I were to publish it to the internet, it would just say, hello, this is for Edit 2000E. So that's the basis of HTML, is that there are these little tags. So you could do, let's say I wanted to copy that, but make it a little bit smaller. So you could do a heading 2, heading type 2, and that is just a little bit smaller heading. And then you would do the same thing. You could write a paragraph. Hello, this is for... Paragraph would be any just basic text that you want, and this kind of shows you like the default would be Times New Roman, white background, black text, and then you would just go from here, and then you would add like a CSS, maybe an external style sheet, make it look a little better, and then JavaScript you could use to make like buttons do things and little animations when the page loads and whatnot. So that's about it. It's a very basic HTML document, but that's what you see. Like any web page you go to, you're looking at some HTML. So I think it's pretty useful to know where that comes from. And you can look, I don't think you can do it on here, but if I go back to my ELC, you can go, where is it at? On Chrome, it's just look at developer tools. Actually, let's do view source. That'll open it up in a new one. So this is the HTML for, you can tell it's a little bit more complicated than the one I did. So the HTML document, and this is what is displayed on the web browser, because you'll have in this head this style sheets. We'll style all these headings and fonts and links and videos and whatnot. So yeah, that's about it. Hope you learned a little something about HTML.